In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Alibaba account. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Alibaba registration page. It's always a good idea to use the official website when creating any online account, because that helps you avoid fake pages and keeps your information secure. Once the registration page loads, you'll see the sign up options available for new users. On that page, choose the option to sign up as a supplier. This is important because Alibaba offers different types of account experiences, and selecting the supplier option makes sure you're registering for the right purpose. Take a second to confirm that you're on the correct registration path before moving forward. Next, you'll be asked how you want to continue. Alibaba usually gives you several options here. You can continue with a connected account, such as Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or you can register manually by entering your email address. If you prefer a faster sign-up process, a connected account can be convenient. But if you want to keep things separate for business, using your email directly may be the better choice. For this example, go ahead and enter your email address. Make sure you use an email that you can access easily, since it may be used for verification, account recovery, and future business notifications. Double check the spelling before continuing so you don't run into problems later. After that, fill in the rest of the account details. You'll need to create a password, then enter your first name, last name, company name, and your telephone or mobile number. When creating your password, choose something strong but memorable, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if the platform allows it. For your company information, try to enter the details accurately, since this can help with your business profile setup later on. Once the form is completed, you'll usually need to complete a verification step. In this case, slide to verify. This is a common security check that helps confirm you're a real person and not an automated bot. If it doesn't work on the first try, just do it again carefully and make sure your browser is fully loaded. When everything looks good and the verification is complete, click on Create Account. That will submit your registration and start the account creation process. From there, Alibaba may guide you through any additional confirmation steps, depending on your region or the information you entered. And that's how to open an Alibaba account. If you follow each part carefully and enter your details correctly, the process should be quick and straightforward.